This website called Cognosys provides the AutoGPT for free directly on your web browser. Here, you just need to provide a goal and the AI agent will create subtasks and crawl the internet and provide you the end result. And here is the best thing, you don't even need to provide your own API key to use it. Of course, it would be great if you can use your key, but it's not mandatory. Now, I am going to sign up using my personal Gmail address. On the left, give your AI agent a name. Then give an objective to your AI agent that you want to be completed. I wanted to perform a market research to sell leather shoes in India. There is a search mode, and if you on it, then the AI agent will also check the internet and then come up with answers. There is an automatic search mode, and if you on it, then the AI agent will automatically generate 3 tasks based on the objective you provided. Otherwise, you need to manually enter the subtasks right here. You are allowed to on only one of them. Click on the Start button to start AutoGPT. The beta version is limited to ChatGPT 3.5, although you can add your own API key and start using ChatGPT 4 if you want. On the right, you can see the AI agent has autonomously created the subtasks for the given goal that I initially provided. As you look at the tasks list, you can see they are completely relevant and logical based on the final objective. Now the AI agent will start completing these tasks one by one. First, it's trying to identify the potential market based on the demographic, consumer behavior pattern, and market trends. As you can see in the answer, the AI agent even provides the age group. It also says what types of shoes a consumer prefers in India. After completing the first task, the AI moves automatically to the second task. And I did not need to interfere at all. This is the power of AutoGPT we are talking about. The AI agent is not limited to just 3 tasks. While finding out the answer, it created more tasks, as you can see right here. Now it is finding an eco-friendly leather material supplier in India. Creating a social media strategy. Once the goal is achieved, the AI agent will stop automatically, and on the right you can see all the tasks generated and completed by AutoGPT. You can copy or download the entire thread in the text format. And it will look something like this. The next tool is called AgentGPT. It is similar to Cognosys in most of the aspects. Here also you need to create an AI agent and provide the goal. Just like Cognosys, this AutoGPT AI agent creates its own list of tasks based on the provided goal. And then it started completing each task one by one. Sometimes, there is too much traffic on this website, so you won't be able to use it. In that case, you can use your own API key and start using it. If you ask the same question again, then it will create a new list of tasks each time from a different perspective. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Please like, share and subscribe.